gonna use a 5mm hook, and I'm gonna start with the slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 40. You can chain any number you want that is a multiple of 3 and then add 1. So my multiple of 3 is going to be 39, and add 1 and chain 40. Got my chain of 40, and I'm going to do row 1 as a single crochet all the way across, and I will be going into the back bump, so don't count the chain on your hook. 1, 2, second chain from the hook is a single crochet and a single crochet in every chain. Okay, that's the end of row 1. For row 2, we're going to chain 2, turn, and we're going to put a double crochet in the second stitch. So this is your first stitch. We're going to skip that one. We're going to go into this one, double crochet, and then we're going to do a bead stitch over the double crochet. So this is going to be a yarn over 3 times. So yarn over, go around your double crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go around the back again, yarn over, pull through, and then the third time, yarn over, go around, yarn over, and pull through. You should have 7 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 7. And then put a double crochet in the next stitch. And that's what gives it the blocked look. Now we're going to skip 1 stitch, just like we did here where we skipped the first one. We're going to skip 1, and we're going to put a double crochet in the next stitch. And repeat our bead stitch. Yarn over, go around the double crochet, yarn over the second time, around the double crochet, and yarn over the third time. You have 7 loops, yarn over, go through all 7 loops, and then put a double crochet in the next stitch. And repeat that pattern all the way across. So skip 1, and then double crochet, bead stitch, yarn over 3 times around your double crochet, go through all 7 loops, and double crochet in the next stitch. And repeat. When you complete your last bead stitch, you will have 1 stitch left. Put a double crochet in that stitch, and that will end row 2. For row 3, it's just a repeat. The rest of the project is going to be a repeat of row 1 being single crochets and row 2 being your double crochets and bead stitches. So for row 1, it's a chain 1 and a turn, single crochet in every single stitch. And by doing the single crochet row on top of the bead stitches, that is what makes the bead stitches look like they are blocked in. So it'll have a kind of a wall completely around, making a square around the bead. Like that. So for the rest of the project, just keep going with row 1, chain 1, single crochet, row 2, chain 2, skip, double crochet, bead stitch, and then a double crochet next to it, and then repeat. Row 1 and 2 all the way to the end. This is the last I'm going to do of row 2. I do want to end my project with the single crochet row. So I just feel like if you end it with row 2, that it's going to be a little bit flimsy on the end, and I think having this single crochet on both ends would be better. So I'm going to go ahead and do one row of single crochet to end it. I'm going to end this right here and tie off. And I'm going to make a couple of knots on the end. Just so it doesn't come unraveled when it's washed and dried. Then I'm going to weave in my end. And you can see that this is a reversible pattern.